Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to access and manage all your archived posts in the Threads app on your Android phone. Archiving posts helps you keep your profile organized and knowing how to find. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Make sure you're in the Profile section. You can do this by tapping your profile icon. Next, tap on the two-line menu icon located at the top right corner. Scroll down and select the Archive option. Here, you will see all the posts you have archived. If you want to remove a post from the archive, simply tap the three dots next to the post. Then, tap Unarchive to restore it back to your profile. Finally, refresh the page to update the changes. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to easily view and unarchive your posts in Threads on Android. Keep your profile neat by managing archived posts whenever you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.